Hey, what's up, guys?
What's up?
I'm Sam.
Isaac.
This is Drop Motorsports.
This is Barney. What's up, guys?
What's going on?
This week on Drop Motorsports, we're gonna be doing things a little different. Right now we're in the Corolla on our way to Harbor Freight. I don't know what we're getting, but it's Harbor Freight. He needs some shit. It's Harbor Freight. You can always get something at Harbor Freight.
Hell yeah.
And then after that, we got some surprises for the Civic. Do a little unboxing of sorts. Show you what I got. And yeah, we'll get back to it when we got something more interesting than us just driving. Maybe we'll do some polls here in a minute.
Hopefully we find somebody to race.
Hopefully. This is what happens when we stop.
I mean, the exhaust
That was kind of
right
weak,
there.
but usually it clouds like the whole windshield out. I'll try to show it. That's how you get on the highway.
This thing's gnarly. Let's move.
That's how you enter the highway in Mexico. The Passat wants it, but the clutch don't. We're coming up on our exit, so we can't race this guy. Guy in the Passat, if you watch our videos, you just got smoked by a 94 Toyota Corolla. Thank you very much. Smoke screen?
Yeah, it's a little smoky.
Just a bit.
Harbor Freight, let's go. So Isaac doesn't like the welders here.
Well, it's either like super cheap, and Sam doesn't want to go super cheap and janky.
No.
Or you can go get something for $900, but you can go get a way better welder for that $900.
So I'm gonna get my little extensions I needed. We're gonna run to a Fleet Farm.
You look around a little bit.
Yeah.
It's Harbor Freight. You always gotta look around.
Oh, the beauty. Success. Got my one thing.
Success is success.
So we're gonna run over to Fleet Farm and see what we can find.
Put air in that tire yet?
Yeah. It's probably at about 20, to be honest. It's like Top Central.
Yeah, that's where I got my ticket. Following too close.
Thanks. Dude, the skid loader took off faster than me.
Alright, so we've acquired packages. And I think now we're gonna head to Fleet Farm and look at the welders that they have there. Cop. I don't know if you can tell, that car right there on the left is a sheriff of Mexico. Mexico, Sheriff. We don't f with the Mexican sheriffs.
The farm.
Made it to the farm of the fleet. Film when we get inside. Browsing around at the welders here. I think we're gonna go with the Handler 130. It's cheaper than the one at Harbor Freight. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. This is the wrong aisle. Alright, so we're back at the shop now. Are you guys ready for this?
Well, unboxing.
Oh, unboxing. Well, it's already open because I already opened it because I had to look at it. I couldn't wait.
This is my first time.
But if you could see what that says, you might know what's already in this box. It's one pretty biatch. Got the nice CX Racing dual ball bearing, 5048.
Oh shit.
But yeah, I decided to go with something a little bit smaller, spool a little quicker. I don't need all the boost in the world yet.
Alright, then we had one more box in the car you got.
I'm still waiting on my oil catch can, but that didn't show up yet. And this is just a box of random intercooler piping, couplers, and I don't even know what all I got, so just a bunch of random nonsense.
I'm definitely taking some of that.
Yeah, I just thought
Thank you, Isaac.
we could use some of it. It doesn't hurt to have random crap laying around.
Alright guys, so my intake was right here. Off at an angle like this. And it was hitting right here on the battery. So now, since he just ordered all that, I'm going to take this piece and cut it down a little. Have it right here and have it coming straight up. I'm going to cut both sides so the top of the filter sits like right here, straight up. Until I can get a half radiator and actually put it in a decent spot with some airflow. But for now, that'll work.
Well, Sam's over here cutting up this intake pipe. I got my turbo mocked up here, and then I bought some AN fittings for my oil catch can and whatnot. And it came with extra fittings and extra hose, so I decided to make my drain here, my oil drain match. And then you probably can't see it because it's all black and all back here, but I got the AN lines ran for the oil catch can. I just don't have it in there yet because it hasn't come in yet. It's supposed to be here today, but we had a gnarly winter storm and delayed all my packages. But this is what she's gonna look like. Still I'm waiting on the exhaust flange and the oil catch can, and just gotta make the exhaust and she should be ripping.
Alright, so I got my two sides cut off. I'm gonna test fit it right now, show you what that looks like. So I got a test fit on there. So I cut both sides off. And I didn't like the angle it was sitting at off of here. So of course I had to go back and cut this sliver out to get the angle that I wanted. About to test fit it again, hopefully for the last time. Alright, after cutting both sides and then a sliver out of it, finally got the right angle I wanted. I wanted it sitting pretty much straight up and down. It turned out pretty much exactly how I wanted it, which is nice. Done for the night. Isaac already took off, so that's that for now. Alright, so this is what we got going at the shop right now. We got Isaac's mom's car in here, the Acadia. I'm pulling on this control arm because the bolt is seized up. Isaac's under there cutting it with the Sawzall. Alright, so Isaac's been under the car for, seems like an hour. What do you think? More than an hour is what he's saying. So we got all the bolts cut off. We got the new control arms on, looking fresh. Just tightening up bolts right now. Gonna put the tires back on. Finally done with the stupid Acadia that we've been working on for way too long.
Finally got my catch can in the mail, so you can't really see it, because it's all black, but it's back in there. All hooked up. I just self-tapered it to the firewall. It's probably not the best way to do it.
Flashlight. Oh yeah. Just had to have one, huh?
Yeah, well, no car runs right without them.
Turbos. Turbo accessories. Woo! Why do we hate? The Acadia is done. Out of here. Finito. Isaac's mom's gonna be happy.
So
We're at Northern Tool. I think we made a decision.
yeah, I think so too.
It's on sale. Should be what we need. And we need this freaking bottle too, which is a little bit more expensive than I thought it was, but it is what it is. Good investment.
I think it'll make us some money in the future.
Yeah. So we're gonna grab this, go back to the shop, and try to weld a couple of things together for fun.
Yeah.
See how it works. Break it in. New welders in the truck. Now we gotta go around back and get our tank.
Got the bottle. Hopefully we don't get in an accident, because it's going flying.
Back to the shop with the welder. Isaac's got the flange for his exhaust, so we're gonna hook this up.
Out here practicing. Trying to get her all set up. Not too bad. Not too bad.
Not terrible. We weld something.
We're not professionals, but we try.
Alright, I think that's about it for this week.
Yep. Well, we'll get this welder all honed in here.
Yeah, you can see we're kind of figuring out what we're doing. Their settings.
Right. Next week, for next week's video, we're going to be doing the exhaust on this guy. And after that, we just got to put the intercooler piping on and the fluids in, and she should be good to go.
Fluids right there. We're getting it rolling.
As far as I know, I don't need anything else.
God damn it.
Chan Thorn the man Thorn.
Alright, well that's it for this week, so we'll see you guys next week. If you like it, hit the like button.
If you haven't subscribed, make sure to do that. And leave a comment. We like to see all positives. If you even have negatives to say, like any feedback, good feedback according to us. So
Yep.
anything you want to see us do, down in the comments. Have a great day.
Alright, see you next week.
Thanks for watching.
Turbos. Turbo accessories.